Today, I'm going to show you how to change font size, font style, and color in Gmail. Full 2026 guide in a simple and clear way. First, go to Gmail and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on Compose to start a new email. Now, type your message or highlight the text you want to customize. At the bottom of the message box, you'll see the formatting toolbar. Click on the A icon. If the options are hidden, this will open all formatting tools. To change the font style, click on the font drop-down and choose a different font. To adjust the font size, click on the size option and select small, normal, large, or huge. If you want to change the color, click on the text color icon and pick any color you like for your text or background. You can also combine styles like bold, italic, and underline to make your message clearer and more visually appealing. Before sending, always review your email to make sure the formatting looks clean and professional. And that's it. Now you know how to customize font size, style, and color in Gmail quickly and easily.